Hi, and welcome to Marketsz. We are so glad to introduce our newest feature, which is the wallet feature. You've asked for it, and we are delivering to you. So, in this short tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how this wallet feature works. So, as we all know, we can make ship requests by making a payment via either a credit card or debit card, MasterCard or Visa, and or PayPal, and many of you have asked us if a bank transfer is possible, and now it is. So, the way that we are going to be using the wallet feature is basically in this format where it allows you to make a bank transfer, a normal wire bank transfer, and thus fund your wallet. And then you can use those credits when you're actually creating a ship request. So, here's how it works. On the upper right hand side here, you can see a wallet icon. You simply click on that wallet icon, and here you can see that you have already an available balance of $200 in this example because I have already done a previous wire transfer. And once that wire transfer has been approved by our team, then that will be credited to your suite, as you can see here. But if I want to do another wire transfer, then I simply click on Add Funds, and as you can see here, the first, I have to indicate how much I want to credit my account with. Let's say I want to credit my account with $500. I can do so by either the card that I have on file with PayPal, and here it is. You can also now do it via a normal bank wire transfer. First of all, you can see all of the bank information here, which you will copy when you're making the normal bank wire transfer. Make sure that you copy and input this information exactly as you're seeing it here with the account number, the account type, the ABA routing number, the SWIFT number, all of it. And then once you are 100% sure that all of this information is correct, then you simply upload the proof of the bank wire transfer here, which you can download from your bank once you make the bank transfer, or you can also do that by sending us a screenshot if you're doing it from your mobile device. So let's say here we choose to send this wire transfer. As you can see here, this would be a wire transfer of $500 that we're making. So I simply upload this wire transfer example, and then if you do have a wire transaction ID, you can put that here as well. I'm just gonna write here my suite number and then simply submit the wire transfer. Once that is submitted, you can see the submission that you've done here, and basically it's pending review. Once our team reviews it, and once we've received the bank wire transfer into our own accounts, which might take 1 to 3 business days, then this will be approved and you will see that available funds here, which then you can actually use when you're checking out, when you're creating your ship request. And that is fairly easy. You simply go to my suites. As you can see here, we have 2 shipments consolidated together that we want to ship out. So I click on create ship request, and down here, you can see that we now have the third option, wallet. So I can either pay with the credit card that I already have on file, I can pay with my wallet now, or I can still pay with PayPal. In this example, we're going to pay with our wallet. As you can see here, we have $200 of available balance. So we're just going to make that payment with the wallet. And you can see here, I have the import duties and taxes. I have everything else assigned here. So I'm going to just click on pay with wallet. It's going to ask me to confirm that payment, and my remaining balance after I pay with my wallet is going to be, of course, the $98 from the $200 I already have. I confirm and pay. And then once I confirm and pay, just like any other time with any ship request, you can see that the ship request is automatically created and your shipment will be done, and you will receive an automatic tracking number as well. You can see the payment was successful from our wallet. So now I can actually go back to my home. And if I go back to my wallet, I will see that now my available balance is $98.27. So that is how this new feature, this new wallet feature works, which allows you to credit your account basically by using a normal bank wire transfer. And this will help you if you don't have a credit card or a debit card, MasterCard, Visa, or you don't have PayPal. Now you have the option to use your wallet also to be able to create your ship request. So now nothing holds you back from shopping and shipping with Marketsz.